Hello people, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Dan and we are of course Ride, Roam, Review. Today is our first review on the channel. This is going to be what we're going to be reviewing. This is the DJI Osmo chin mount. It doesn't come with this additional thing. That's one that I've put on for testing today. But the main thing is we're going to give this a run through. And first of all, we're going to show you how we put it on. Right, we'll fit this bad boy, see how we get on. Okay, so that goes around there. You've got the two things. Two cords go under and through. And then simply secure the Velcro. Same with the other one. Up and down. Make sure the rubber's in the right way. And there you go, it's secured. And there you have it, secured and on the helmet just fine. Now, the only trouble with this is what I found when I was riding is that it's not suitable for a sport bike or a naked sports bike. It's super solid, don't get me wrong. It's like, it's rigid on there, it's not coming off anywhere. So it is great if you wanted to get something for like a summer's day. But what we'll do now is we'll take it out on a spin so you can see what the other thoughts are.
First impressions, it's pretty solid. Like once the Velcro's on and all that sort of stuff, it's not going anywhere. Like it's a really good bit of kit. If you were doing something like motocross or, you know, just very low speed riding. This is purely because if you see right here, leaves a big old gap in between the visor and the rest of the helmet shell itself, meaning your face is flipping freezing as you're riding along. So whilst it's good for emergencies and good for everyday use, like for slow biking community, slow bike commuting, I mean, whilst it's good for everyday sort of slow riding, motocrossing, extreme sort of stuff where you go and have an open face helmet anyway, then I would recommend this 100%. However, for daily commuting, for anybody who has a sport bike or any form of other bike, you know, a naked bike like me, this is not for you. Unless it's summertime. The amount of gap it leaves between visor and helmet is massive. Creates wind noise, creates freezing cold face syndrome, and yeah, I don't think it's right for us on these kind of bikes.
So those are the thoughts on the chin mount. As you can see, it's not made for sports bike, naked bikes, any kind of like tourers. It is made for motocross helmets. It is made for, you know, downhill bikers, all that sort of extreme mountain biking. I think it's a perfect fit for that. Where it struggles is right here. Leaves a huge gap underneath. So that's not really good. If you're out and about in the cold, it will be very cold. Frozen face syndrome all the way. Yeah, it's great, but not for this purpose. Anyway, I hope you found that review useful on this DJI Osmo chin mount. Once again, my name is Dan. If you like what you see today, do like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.